DoubleClick Bid Manager, or DBM, is a demand-side platform that allows your organization to use programmatic buying, including real-time bidding, for its display advertising campaigns. Like the DoubleClick Campaign Manager integration, the Bid Manager integration with Analytics 360 lets you combine DBM dimensions and metrics with your Analytics 360 dimensions and metrics for even more visibility into your customer's journey. In addition, this integration lets you create audiences based on your Analytics 360 data and then target Bid Manager ads to the customers in your audience. Let's take a look at the Google Merchandise Store's landing pages for the month of April 2017. The top converting landing page for e-commerce transactions is the Nest product category page. Your marketing team can leverage this insight by targeting users who have shown interest in Nest products. You would start by creating an audience for Bid Manager consisting of users who either visited a Nest product category page or searched for Nest. Then, in Bid Manager, you could set up a similar audience. This lets your organization advertise to user lists who share characteristics similar to the audience you created in Analytics 360. For a similar audience, Bid Manager would find people similar to your Nest customers based on other characteristics and target your ads to them. You can also learn more about people who see or click on your Bid Manager display ads. For example, let's view the Dbm Sites Report. This report displays metrics for publisher sites where your Bid Manager ads are shown. Imagine you want to compare the performance of various online media outlets, such as CNN.com, Forbes.com, or NewYorkTimes.com. Select the metrics group Clicks in the Explorer tab, and notice that Media Site 1 generates many store ad impressions. In other words, people visiting Media Site 1 are seeing the Google Merchandise Store's ads. Some of these people may later visit the store, but how many? And of those who visit, what is their behavior? You can find out more by clicking back to site usage. Here, you can see that Media Site 1 is associated with 70 view-through sessions. This means that 70 sessions resulted from users who saw the store's ad on Media Site 1 and later visited the store. Let's review their behavior on the site by comparing with users from Media Site 2. You find that people who see the store's ads on Media Site 1 and later visit the store have fewer pages per session, a shorter average session duration, and generate less revenue compared with people who see the store's ads on Media Site 2. Based on this information, you may conclude that although Media Site 1 generates many ad impressions, this segment is actually less engaged and generates less revenue than Media Site 2. These are just two examples of how the powerful combination of Bid Manager and Analytics 360 data can be used to improve outcomes for your business. We'll explore these reports later in more detail.